Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. Now today's episode is an absolute banger. I'm very excited to film this today for you. I've actually been waiting a couple of days to do this unboxing. I've just been waiting for the right moment to film it and upload it, and the time is now here. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Now Tavex Bullion sent me an email saying, future investments, what would you like to unbox and review this time? And I said, well, a lot of my viewers and subscribers absolutely love gold and silver bars. So could you maybe send me some bars? And they gave me a complete selection of items I could choose. And I ended up going for a 25 gram, multi-gram Pamp Fortuna gold bar packet. And I'm very excited to unbox this because I have never ever seen one of these multi-gram bar packets in my life. I've only ever seen them online, and I've definitely never had any in my possession. And I haven't seen that many on video, to be fair. So I thought, what a good opportunity to be able to unbox and review so I could show you guys. First of all, I've got to say, I thought the parcel would be bigger than this because there's 25 1 gram gold bars. I thought it would be in like a big card. But I'm going to assume that it's in here and it's in like a package. So here we go. I'm going to try and just remove my details quickly. Okay, so here we go. Let's do the unboxing. Dear Future Investments, thank you. Sealed and signed by Aisling. Thank you very much for sending me this wonderful parcel. Again, another fantastic presentation piece by Tavex Bullion. All right, let's crack on with the video. Here we go. There should be 25 multi-gram Pamp Gold bars in here. Oh my god, I'm excited. This is so cool. Wow. That is so cool. That is so cool. I never thought it would look like that. That is amazing. I really am surprised. For some reason, I thought it would be so much bigger. I thought, yeah, I thought it would be bigger, but I'm really surprised. I like it. I really like it. I've seen a lot of 25 gram sort of multi-combination bars. A lot of them are like Val Canby and the cheaper brands. And this is the first time I've ever seen a Pamp one. And I've got to say, the packaging, the way they've done it is amazing. It's essentially like you've got one giant blister card. I thought it was going to be quite cheap. A thinner material. I didn't expect it to be in this like blister card form like you get with the Royal Mint and 1 gram gold bars and higher value. I thought it would be in like a more papery film that kind of would like fold, but it's actually not. It's in a complete blister card, and I've got to say I want one. Just looking at this, I want one. That is so cool. Let's take a closer look. I am amazed. This is so cool. Okay, so yeah, they're 1 gram Pamp Gold bars. Every single one of these is 1 gram. And you can see that you can actually snap them off. They've got little like separation snap off bits in each and every one, which I'm quite amazed by because I thought it might not be that easy to break them off, but it clearly is. I assume you can just go bink, bink and snap each one off, and I love it. I mean, I want one. This is the first time in a long time I've unboxed and reviewed something and really wanted it. I did do the 1 ounce gold Merlin coin from the Myths and Legends series that Tavex also sent me, and I love that, but this has blown my mind even more. I love 1 gram gold bars, as you all know. I love fractional gold. I love its liquidity. I love the fact that you can easily move it, you can easily store it. I love the fact that it's extremely popular, and I love the fact that it's one of the cheapest precious metals in terms of gold bullion that you can buy. And I do think it's going to be very popular in the future because, as we know, gold prices always go up, and I think it's going to be one of the only things that people can really afford unless you're already comfortable or wealthy. So I see big things for 1 gram gold bars going forward in the future. But I love this. A really nice job from Pamp. The quality is fantastic. The bars all look absolutely amazing. Let's get the camera to focus a bit better. Yeah, the bars look all absolutely amazing. Everyone is fantastic quality. The packaging is really clear. It's really authentic. The feel feels really nice. Now let's talk about some of the prices. So if you want to pick this up from Tavex Bullion, you're going to be paying, at the current price, around £1,398. Now that's actually not a bad price in my opinion, because if you divide these 25 bars by that price, so you divide £1,398 by 25, because there's 25 1 gram gold bars here, that gives you an average price of £55.92 per gram of gold bar here. Now I think that's a really good price, especially for a higher quality brand such as Pamp. I mean, in my opinion, I think that's really, really good, because you can go out and go to maybe Tavex Bullion and get some of the cheaper bullion bars, Valcambi, you can even get your own Tavex bar. But to get a Pamp bar for £55 when it's 1 gram, I think that's a really good price for the weight to value against the premiums. And yeah, I am finding it really hard to find reasons why you shouldn't buy one of these 25 gram bar packs. I'm honestly, I'm blown away. So yeah, if we look at the price of a 1 ounce Lady Fortuna Pamp Swiss gold bar, you're going to be looking at around £1,582 at the current price. Now, comparing the two, there is obviously going to be a difference in price, because this is only 25 grams and a 1 ounce gold bar has 31 grams of gold. But when you actually compare the difference, that's only £184 in difference. So yeah, you are paying a little bit of a premium because you're buying, you know, one gram gold. And let's not beat around the bush. We know 1 gram gold bars do carry a higher premium. But there's a reason for that. You're buying a smaller weight of gold. You're buying something that's more liquid. You're buying something that's more easy to store, possibly even more easy to sell. And for me, the premiums to the weight of value for one of these, I would definitely agree it's worth it. You know, you hold on to this like any long-term precious metal stacker for a long time, 20, 25 years, maybe even more if you're young enough. I think you're going to be really pleased that you bought 25 1 gram gold bars, especially Pamp, especially in this design, this quality. I mean, I really want one. I think if I did buy one, I would never break them off, just because I love the fact that it's solid, it's one piece. But I don't think there would be anything wrong with breaking them off into individual pieces. You could store them in different areas if you wanted to do so. You could sell some off if you needed to, and that's another great reason. You know, maybe when you're buying a 1 ounce gold bar, you're locking over £1,500 into this gold bullion asset. So if you need cash for some reason, which hopefully you don't, you're going to have to sell that whole 1 ounce bar. Whereas these 1 gram gold bars, you've got 25 here. So you know that you've roughly got £55 a bar to salvage off if you really needed to. Now, hopefully most precious metal stackers and investors never have to do that, because you're smart enough with your finances that you put yourself in a position where you don't need to do that. But with anything, there are always unforeseen circumstances. So yeah, I'm very, very pleased with this. Not going to buy one myself just because I'm saving for my other investment goals. But I've got to be totally honest with you. If I wasn't saving for other investments that I've got in my plan for my portfolio, I would 110% be keeping this right now. I would be emailing Tavex and asking for a little discount as future investments, and I would be buying this straight away. I'll be keeping it with me because I really like it. I really, really like it. It's a lovely bar that it just has so many benefits. I'm amazed. I didn't think the quality would be like this. I thought it would be like a thin material, but yeah, it's just like 25 blister cards essentially. The quality is amazing. Very, very impressed. If you want to buy one of these, you can do so. Just look on Tavex Bullion's website, and yeah, you can pick yourself up one of these 25 gram multi packs. And I wouldn't be surprised if someone did, because they are really cool, really cool. I'm finding it hard to find reasons not to buy it. I mean, the only thing you can say is they carry high premiums, but again, because you're buying in a bulk load, you're bringing those premiums down because you're not buying a single individual bar. You're doing a multi-purchase. So really, I think that's a great thing with these, because you're still getting 1 gram fractional gold bars, but you're actually lowering those premiums slightly by buying a multi-pack. So this is very interesting. I would like to see more companies do this. I would like to see the Royal Mint do this with their 1 gram gold bars. I think that would sell very quickly. I think it even gives bullion dealers, maybe like Tavex Bullion, an idea to maybe do some sort of combination starter pack. I know one of my subscribers recently commented saying, can you get Tavex to do a starter pack or a combination deal where maybe you get a 1 gram Pamp bar, a 1 gram Valcambi bar, maybe you get a 1 ounce coin, maybe you get a 1 ounce silver coin, you know, some sort of multi-pack would be quite cool for people to be able to buy. But yeah, overall, I really like this piece. I could keep talking about it forever. I'm going to keep looking at it off of camera as well because I really like it and I really want it. I really do want to buy it. But £1,398, that's not money I was really looking to spend. I'm trying to fill up my silver coin capsule case, as you'll know, and that's probably going to set me back at least £2,000, give or take. So yeah, I don't really want to dip into my investment savings for this, but I am going to think about it. I can't lie. I wouldn't be surprised if you saw it later on the channel that I had kept it. I just see so many benefits, so many benefits. Wow, I'm really impressed. I've never been this impressed by an unboxing, if I'm honest with you. Wow, I just think it's so cool. So cool. Can you imagine that sitting in your stack or just sitting in the background like that? How cool is that? So anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you want to order something from Tavex Bullion, you can use the discount code Future Investments. It's in the link in the description, but I'll also add it at the bottom of this video so you guys can see the discount code to use. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I've really enjoyed this unboxing from Tavex. I'm going to find it hard sending that back. I might even have to hold on to it for a couple of days and decide whether I want to keep it or not. But yeah, man, I do love that a lot. So thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you want to see more items like this, please let me know, because we can definitely make that happen. I can contact Tavex and we can try and get that to happen. So yeah, until next time, guys, I will see you all in the very next episode. A big thank you to the channel members. I appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye-bye, guys. Hi, guys. I had to come back with a bit of an extra clip for you. I wanted to show the difference between a single 1 gram gold bar and the multi-pack of 25 1 gram gold bars. Now, you're going to notice straight away, there's a big difference. Look at the size difference between a single 1 gram gold bar and the 1 gram gold bar in the multi-pack. Massive difference. I think that's why I thought the 25 1 gram gold bar multi-pack was going to be a lot bigger, because when you look at the size of a single 1 gram gold bar, it is a lot bigger. I guess what they've done is they've made it a lot more dense than a single 1 gram gold bar, a lot thicker, should I say. It's that it's still 1 gram of gold, except it's just much smaller. It's quite weird to see the difference now when you look at the two. I guess they've made that one thinner and larger, so it seems a little bit more substantial when it's on its own in a blister card, whereas maybe if you've got one of these in a card this size, it would look quite silly, wouldn't it? It would look tiny. So I assume what they've done is they've made them smaller but thicker. It's quite hard to tell at the angle of the packaging, but if you look on the back, they're absolutely 1 gram in size. You can see there. So yeah, very interesting to see the differences between the two. And I just thought I'd show you that. And if you wanted to buy one of these from Tavex, you're looking at about £61, just over, whereas you're looking at an average price of £55 for one of these if you buy it in the multi-pack. That's what the average works out at. So by buying the multi-pack, you're actually going to be saving yourself around £6 per 1 gram gold bar. That's how much there are high premiums on singular 1 gram gold bars. So if you maybe do want 1 gram gold bars, it might be more beneficial to buy a 25 gram multi-pack, because per bar you're going to be looking at saving between £5 and £6 from buying it in a multi-purchase, compared to if you bought 25 of these individually. So Interesting to know. I thought I'd just add that in for you because I thought it was really important information that you might want to know about. Anyway, thank you for watching, and until next time, I'll see you in the very next episode. Bye-bye, guys. Also, something I nearly forgot. Thank you very much, as always, Tavex, for these sweets. They'll be going in the sweet collection. I know some of you won't be very happy with that, but yeah, I'm very pleased that I've got some more sweets. So thank you very much, Tavex. To watch another episode on future investments, click the link now.